Hello, my name is Jose. I'm a Java champion and Java 1 rockstar. I'm talking to you from Paris, where I live, and I'm so very happy to present my new course, Working with Files in Java using the NIO API. In just 1 hour, this course shows you 2 things. First, how to handle files using the Files factory class. And second, how to deal with text files in Java. First, you will see how to read files and deal with exotic formats not compatible with UTF-8. I will also show you the exceptions thrown by buggy code and how to fix them. Then, you will see how to analyze a CFV file using the map filter reduce approach, implemented using the Stream API. You will map text lines to create objects and filter them to remove comments line. And you will also flat map them to deal with buggy CSV lines. Second, you will see how to find files in a hierarchy of directories using the walk file tree pattern, and then how to analyze a directory structure with a map filter reduce approach using the walk pattern. Even if this hour is packed with information, don't worry, it's also full of examples and use case analysis. I'm very happy to be your steward for this new course, and I can't wait to see how you will leverage all this in your applications.